Today, I will be presenting to you the human digestive system, their functions, and some important tips on how to keep our digestive system healthy. So let's begin. Our digestive system is a group of organs that work together to break down the food we eat, absorb nutrients, and remove waste from the body. Each part has a special role, and all of them must work properly for us to stay healthy and energized. Let's start from where the digestion begins. The digestion begins from the mouth. The teeth mechanically grind down the food. The saliva, made in salivary glands, chemically digests the food using enzymes. Next, food travels through a long muscular tube called the esophagus. It uses wave-like movements called peristalsis to push the food down into the stomach. Next is the liver. The liver releases a chemical called bile into the intestines via the gallbladder. Bile breaks down lipids like fats and oils in food. It also filters toxins and stores nutrients. Next is the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ that turns food and mixes it with stomach acid. These acids break down food into a thick liquid mixture called chyme. Next is the pancreas. The pancreas releases enzymes into the intestines. Enzymes break down foods such as lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. It also releases insulin to help control blood sugar levels. Next is the gallbladder. This is where bile is stored and concentrated before it is released into the small intestine. Bile is produced in the liver to break down lipids. Next is the small intestine. The chyme enters the small intestine, the longest part of the digestive system. Here, most digestion and absorption happens. Nutrients from the food pass through the intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream. Next is the large intestine. The large intestine contains food which cannot be broken down further, usually fiber. Here, water is absorbed and the remaining material becomes solid waste. Next is the rectum. The rectum contains undigested food stored as feces or our poop. And the last part is the anus. This is the end of the digestive system and where feces leave the body. After knowing the parts and functions of the human digestive system, let's proceed to some important tips on how to take care of our digestive system. First, eat a balanced diet. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fiber-rich foods to help digestion. Second, drink plenty of water. Water helps move food through the digestive tract and prevents constipation. Third, chew food properly. Chewing food well makes it easier for the stomach and intestines to digest. Fourth, exercise regularly. Physical activity helps maintain a healthy metabolism and prevents sluggish digestion. Fifth, avoid too much fatty, processed, and sugary foods. This can cause indigestion, bloating, and other digestive problems. Sixth, practice proper hygiene. Wash hands before eating to avoid harmful bacteria entering the digestive system. The seventh, manage stress. Stress affects digestion, so it's important to rest, relax, and get enough sleep. Remember, what we eat and how we take care of our body affects how well our digestion works. Let's keep our systems healthy by choosing good food, staying hydrated, and living an active lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, learn, and stay curious. See you next time!